Welcome to another segment of Lousje and Bean Behind the Scene. It's Sunday. Welcome, lovelies. It's Sunday and I am thrilled to do somewhat of a little house tour. Recently, one of you lovelies pointed out that the baseboards are not finished yet. Well, let me begin to tell you what hasn't finished yet. I mean, it's going on 3 years that we have been in renovations, complete renovations, right? The house was a tear down and there were no walls, no floors. So it's been a monumental, I know. We are thrilled how it's worked out and how it turned out, but we still have things to do. And we have a little stick behind the door because we're getting relatives over from the Netherlands in June. So it's our target to get it all done before that. So first of all, yes, the baseboards, not just here, but a few other ones, are going to be finished by our trusted carpenter, and we make lists for our tradesmen and then they can come in and do the whole thing at once. So that will be happening shortly. And then I have my list here. So I will show you our big project that Clan and I just almost finished. Come with me. We have almost finished our staircase. And this was a discussion for many months. Way in the beginning, when we picked our paint colors, I right away said I want the staircase to be completely black and have a runner running down with a little red stripe on the side. And I got a bit of opposition from Mr. G and other people. We have a bit of an advice decorator, interior decorator, friend from Clan. No, don't do it. Anyway, so we didn't do it, and I've been thinking about it ever since, and finally I said, you know what, it has to be done. And now Mr. G really likes it, and he said, oh my God, it's so beautiful. So I'm really happy, but it was a task and a half. That is for sure. So we're almost done, and then we can order the runner, and then the staircase is finished. We picked this color red. I don't like it. It's got too much pink in it. I'm very picky about my colors. So we're gonna give it another coat. I'm gonna go and get a tomato red or a fire engine red or a race car red. This is what I get on my nails. This color, this is the color. And as you can see, it's way pinkier than my nail color. So we're gonna paint this and then we are really done. And now about the front door, what has to change is our railing here is rusty, it's old, and we're going to replace it. And hopefully our neighbors are gonna come in with it, because then we can have a uniform railing, which would be really nice. So that is the outside. Then of course, the front garden has to be finished. We're gonna have a fountain in the middle of the circle. And then let's walk to the backyard. Before I forget, let's talk door locks. So as you lovelies know, who've watched the house tours, we salvaged most of the doors. And the 3 doors to hallway, closet, pantry and other pantry are original doors. They're beautiful and we restored them, painted them, but the doorknobs have not been put in. We took most of the locks out of the doors that we salvaged, and this is what they looked like. Many, many, many layers of paint from many people that lived here, of course. And a really amazing job that I did when we just bought the house. I couldn't do much else and I wanted to do something, so I said, give me the locks. And I soaked them in a solution of baking soda overnight and a little bit of vinegar. And then the next morning I could scrape it off, or the next day, sandpaper it, and it ended up like this. But they had to be taken apart. This one is put back together by Clan. Some of them are missing the inside parts. I don't know how we can put it back on because there's a lot of little moving parts. But anyway, that's his job. And then this is the knobs that we will reuse. And this was also, a lot of them were, this was painted. Believe it or not, this beautiful porcelain was painted over. So yeah, we have 3 to do, and I'll show you the doors. So the knobs will go in here, the lock will go in there, and then we have the original door with the original locks, which I am thrilled about. Lovely's, the backsplash has not been put on because we simply had too many decisions to make, and we said, well, let's just live in the house and we'll look at it then. We went to Portugal, where the Portugal tiles, we actually went to the tile museum in Lisbon. Oh my goodness, it was unbelievable. These tiles that are ancient and evolved now in where we can buy them at our stores here, our flooring stores, the Portuguese tiles. We have them in our bathroom, the 2 bathrooms. Anyway, we have a color picked and we know what we're going to do, but I'm not going to tell you yet. I'm going to keep it a surprise. And that might not be done before June, but we're going to try for it. So backsplash still to be done. Backyard, huge project. So Lovely's, the backyard, it has been graded. It has been a huge layer of topsoil, then a big layer of mulch, and the pathway has been laid with flagstones, and the wall has been built. Anyway, the basics are there. We have the 3 beautiful trees. The one treasure is the yellow magnolia that is supposed to bloom hopefully soon, in a few weeks. I can't wait. And then I have to start planning the garden. So we're making a graph of the size, and then I can, start putting down on paper what I would like to plant. And then we go to the garden center and then we start buying plants and planting. I am hugely excited about it. I can't wait, to tell you the truth. We're thinking of a canopy here for the sun, because this is sun all afternoon, all starting at 11. It's coming in now. And it gets pretty hot here because we're lower and we're kind of built in. So yeah, I think then we're nearing the end of the list. So in terms of what still has to be done, not too bad, actually pretty good, and I am looking forward to whatever we have to finish. I'm looking forward to it. So Lovely's, the one thing we still have to do is we still have about, or I would say 20 pieces of art combined from Glenn and I. And we left this whole wall blank because we're gonna have a collage of art, and then other pieces can be dispersed throughout the house. So, but this, you say, well, we have to hang the art. You cannot just start hammering and hanging here, because then you don't like it, you have to change it. So Glenn made a template and he took pictures of all the art pieces and sizes, and he's gonna make templates of that too. So on paper we can move them around, and then when we're all set, the hammer and nails can come out. So I'm looking forward to that too. And the last but not least are the dining room chairs. We've had people over for dinner, and we've ate at the kitchen table with the 4 chairs, pulled up 2 other chairs, but we definitely need to get some dining room chairs, which is hard because I can't find anything that I like, but we will find something soon because visitors are coming soon. Okay, Lovelies, I am very springy. I feel great in this outfit. A gorgeous sweater from Sagat & Plover, cotton, beautiful colors, really, really cute. And this beautiful pair of pants from Chrisas, linen, 100% linen, oatmeal. Scarf is from Chrisas too. This is an amazing piece. As you can see, it's a gorgeous linen. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. And of course this lovely Siska necklace and Siska earrings. And Charlie wants to come in. Come in, buddy. Come. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and yeah, I keep you up to date as things develop. As always, enjoy your Sunday and keep on smiling.